Hello everyone, welcome to the presentation. Today we are going to demonstrate the measurement of the unknown resistor. I am Snehal Purani, lecturer in Sri KJ Polytechnic Bharuch in Electrical Engineering Department. Welcome you to this session. So first of all we are going to have the demonstration of this unknown value of resistance measurement with the help of this meter and then with the help of this mobile application. So with the conventional practice we start with the theory session. So in this the aim of our practical is to measure the unknown value of resistor. So after performing this experiment, students will be able to identify whether the component is resistor or not. So basic identification can be done with the help of this. Student can be able to calculate the unknown value of resistor. Student can use find out the application of this multimeter, that how to use the multimeter to find out the unknown value of resistor. Similarly, if they have not meter with them and they are going to buy a resistor for their project purpose or for a minor project activity or for their own applications, they can verify the value of this resistor with the help of these mobile applications that we will going to demonstrate later in this session as well. And finally, student can be able to check value of any resistors at any time, whether the values of resistance are proper or not. They can verify when they are going to purchase the same. So with this is the basic chart of this color coding. Here we have 4 bands of the resistors, and in these 4 bands there are color codes. Means there are various colors: black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, white, and of course 3 bands of golden, silver and no color. These 3 bands are used to identify the value of the tolerances, means the amount of variation in the measurement as per the range selected. So first band is the value, second band is along same values is there, and the third band is the multiplier, and multiplier is showing the range, means 10 to the power of 0, 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3 as per the color code range. Here the number shows that the color code has the value of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 likewise. But it is very difficult to remember that which color comes first or which color second. To calculate with the help of this, I have a short technique that you can remember this. B.B. Roy goes to Bombay via Gateway of India, where B is significantly showing us that B is for black, again then B is for brown, R is for red, O is for orange, Y is for yellow, G for green, B stands for blue, V stands for violet, G stands for grey, and W stands for white. And lastly, the tolerance can be remembered like golden, silver and no color as per the price range. If gold is very expensive, then the silver, then it comes first, then silver, and then there is no color, means you are going to buy nothing. So this way you can find out the effectiveness of this color code. With this help of this color code, you can calculate the value in the next slide. So here what I have selected is, first band I have selected red, second band blue, third is orange band, and last is golden band. So the total cumulative value is red. So here the number is 2. So it is taken to 2. Then blue band, blue, the number is 6. So it is showing 6. Then the third band is orange. Orange is for that. It is showing 3. Means 10 to the power 3. So it is 1 kilo ohm range, and 5%, that is golden, is the tolerance limit of 5%. So the cumulative value is 26 kilo ohm plus or minus 5%. Means it is showing that the value of resistor may vary 5% plus or minus to 26 kilo ohms. So similarly you can find out the value of resistor with the help of this. So this is 2 sample exercise for you. With the help of this color code, you have to find out the value, and similarly can be verified later on with the help of multimeter and the application we are going to see in the upcoming session. So we start with the practical demonstration session now. With the help of this multimeter, we are going to find out the value of this unknown resistor. So this resistor have 2 leads, one is on anode side, one is on cathode side. So how to judge whether this terminal is anode or cathode? So here you can see the strip of golden color. or silver color, or sometimes there is no strip available on this side. So nearly to the terminal, if you find out this kind of strip, then this terminal is termed as cathode and the other terminal remains is termed as anode. So we have connected this resistor with the help of this multimeter. This multimeter is utilized for measurement of unknown value of resistor, capacitor. You can find out the different value of measurement of voltage in AC and DC as well. With the help of this meter, you can find out the amount of current flowing through any apparatus, or with the help of this meter, you can find out the continuity of the apparatus, whether any wire is continuing or not, whether it is having any breakdown in between or not. You can verify with this apparatus. So I am just powering on this apparatus. Here it is selected on the resistor knob. This is the minimum value of the resistor, that is 20 ohm range I have selected. But the actual value of this resistor, as per the decoding of this color code, it is very much higher than the measurement range of this apparatus right now. So what I am doing is I am just changing the knob to select the measurement. 2 kilo ohm, but still it is showing 1, means the value of this resistor is higher than 2 kilo ohm. So again I am changing the knob to 20 kilo ohm. So in 20 kilo ohm still it is showing 1, means the range of this meter is lower than the value of this resistor. So again I am changing the knob to 200 kilo ohm, higher the range. So the meter is now showing that it is 27 kilo ohm resistor. 27 kilo ohm, there must be a tolerance in the value of resistor because of this golden band. It is showing 5% of the tolerance in the total value of the measurement with the actual value of this resistor. So similarly we can see this kind of measurement utilizing the mobile application. So whenever you are going to buy any resistor, you can verify whether you have bought a correct resistor or not. So I am giving you a same demonstration with the help of this mobile phone. So I am just power off or shutting down this meter right now because this activity is of no use. So now of this mobile application, you can find out the value of resistor at your own, whether you are buying a correct resistor or not. Here for the demonstration purpose, I have 4 color band resistor. So first color is red, so I am selecting red. Second is blue, so I am selecting blue. Third color is orange, so I am selecting orange color. And final is golden, so I have selected this golden band. So this mobile shows you 26 kilo ohm plus or minus 5% error. Means this resistor have the value of 26 kilo ohm and the value may be vary plus or minus 5% as per your range. If you want to find out whether this color code is available with you, but the value of resistor is correct or not, you can verify with this mobile application. Suppose I have this another resistor with me. The first band is brown, so I am selecting brown band. Second band is green, so I am selecting green band. Third band is red, so I am selecting red band. And fourth band is silver, so I am selecting silver. Means this resistor we have is 1.5 kilo ohm, whose value may be vary plus or minus 5%. So similarly with other resistors, you can find out the value of resistors with the help of your mobile phone. There are so many applications to find out this value. You can use any of these to verify whether the resistor you have selected is of that value or not. So theoretically we have calculated the value, with the help of this meter we have found out the same value, and with the application we have verified the same. So every time if you want to find out the application, you have meter with you, then it is fine. And if you have you don't have any meter with you, you can similarly calculate the value with the help of this kind of applications. So if your first band color is red, second band color is yellow, third band color is orange, and tolerance is suppose it is silver color. So the value of resistor is 24 kilo ohm, whose value may be vary plus or minus 10% in tolerance range. Similarly, you can calculate with the other application as well with this. See, if you want to find out the value of resistor with the help of colors, so here there are two menus are available. Third is the support menu, which is as if you are not finding the correct value with this application, you can get the support from this. So first, if you have colors into value you want to convert, then select the colors. First color you have selected is orange, second is yellow, third is say green, and the tolerance is selected, suppose say green. So the value of resistor is 3.4 mega ohm plus or minus 0.05%. So with this application you have found out the value of resistor. But say if you have the value and if you want to convert the values into color, you can select this menu. So convert values into current. 4 band resistor I have selected and the value can be edited. Say I want to find out the 85 mega ohm, kilo ohm or ohms, that I can select. So I have selected this mega ohm band. I want to find out the value of 85 mega ohm in the tolerance range of say 20%. So this is the value of resistor. This is the color code of the resistor that I am going to buy. So I have verified this value with the help of this application. You can vary the tolerance range with the selection. See, if I have selected this 5% range, then the fourth band of this resistor is gold. So first band is green, second is green, third is green, and fourth is golden. Golden means plus or minus 5% tolerance as per our remembering technique. So this is how you can find out with the help of this mobile application the correct value of the resistor. So thank you. If you have any queries, you are welcome with the same.